owners mentioned that Charlie is really irritated when they are vacuuming or using the mop. So I will see how it's working right now. Hey, Charlie. Hey, Charlie. Charlie, Charlie. Charlie, Charlie. Charlie. No jumping. Charlie. Hey, Charlie. Hey, Charlie. Hey, Charlie. Okay. So I will start my vacuum. And I will see her reaction. Charlie. Charlie. Are you interested in vacuum or not? No jumping. Charlie, look, vacuum. Let's try it with a mop. Okay? So this is a mop. Let's see what she will do with mop. She's more interested in the mop. She just wanna play. But she lost interest. I will try to record video how I'm mopping and how I'm correcting Charlie if she will be disturbing my cleaning process. That's why I have her on a leash. It will be not very comfortable, but I will try to. So I start mopping. If she's a little bit interested, I'm fine, but I don't want it to be too much. So if I need cleaning, I don't want dog to be on the way. Good girl. And if she's not paying attention to it, I will say good girl. And if she will pay attention, leave it, leave it. Good girl. Good girl. Why I'm not using food? Because if she will be paying attention, even for a second or two, to the mopping, and then I will throw the piece of cheese or hot dog on the floor, she can think that mopping attack is a cool stuff to do because treats are falling from the skies. So that's why I'm using correction and just the praise. I'm not using treats because I don't want her to think that mopping, it's a treat time. Okay, I will drop the leash and see what she will do. Good girl, Charlie. Good girl. Charlie's such a good puppy. Charlie, Charlie. Good girl, Charlie.